Chihuahua.
Welcome to the Statistics Show. Today we're going to see 4 rare animals. Let's go. Today we're going to be observing 3 animals. Mean, median, and mode. There's one now. We have to approach this carefully. This one's the mean. There's another one. This one's the mode. That means there's one left. The median. We're going to need an expert on this. Good day, mate. Could you help us explain the animal?
Sure. These 3 animals belong to the mother data set, which I have right here. This right here, this is the mean. You find this by adding all the numbers together and dividing by how many numbers are in the data set. This is the median. This is the center or the middle number of the entire data set. This is the mode, the most reoccurring number in the entire data set.
Thanks a lot, mate.
Glad to help.
Now on to our next creature. Now that we've found the 3 animals, let's see what else we can find. Crikey, look at these! I've never seen these kind of creatures before. We're definitely going to need an expert on this. Thanks for meeting with us today, mate.
My pleasure.
Could you help us figure out what kind of problems these are?
Sure. Oh, these are probability problems. I'll help you figure out if they're male or female, aka classical or empirical. I know, I'll use my trusty math book. This creature would be a female or a classical probability because each outcome in the space is equally likely to occur. If we flip her over, you can see the actual probability. We put the number of outcomes on the top and the total number of outcomes in the sample space on the bottom, which would give us 0.667. Now this guy would be the male or the empirical probability, which means based on observations, the empirical probability of an event is the relative frequency. Now if we flip this little guy over, we can see the probability formula, which is the frequency of the event on the top and the total frequency on the bottom, which gives us 0.325. And that's how it's done.
Wow, thanks a lot, mate. You've helped us a lot. Now we have time for one more creature. Let's go find it. Oh, look at this one. Oh, this is a dangerous one. Oh, look at this. It's a beaut. Let's sit down and try to figure out what it is. All right, let's get down to business. This right here is an example of the empirical rule. For data with a symmetric bell-shaped distribution, the standard deviation has the following characteristics. About 68% of the data lies within 1 standard deviation of the mean. About 95% of the data lies within 2 standard deviations of the mean. About 99.7% of the data lies within 3 standard deviations of the mean. Thanks for joining us today, mates. Until next time. Wow, thanks a lot, mate. Glad now.